Was This build is the Bandai 1/5000 scale Star Destroyer model kit. This kit looks really detailed. It looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. I am going to light it. I'm excited to get started, so let's get it. The kit's just a little over 12 inches from the tip to the back here. Looking this kit over briefly, the detail is just exceptional. It's what you would expect from Bandai. All the panel lines, the little raised details all over are crisp and clean. It's just really beautiful kit. So let me get some pieces out and start putting this thing together. The engine pieces, obviously you get the three main engine bells, and then there are the four smaller ones that go in, but those go on later. One thing I did notice is that there is not the little baffles that go on these engine bells, and this piece, this outside piece here at the end, is supposed to be separate from the regular bell and a little bit smaller on the inside. Now, I don't know if I'm going to try to correct that or not. I may just leave it as it is, but that is one thing that I noticed. They're all the same size. They're all keyed, so they all fit the same way, so you don't have to worry about getting one in the wrong spot. And like most Bandai, the fit is nice and tight. Now there are the inner pieces, which there's three that go to that. This piece slides in. You get it on the right side, slides in. Same with this one, like so. And then this piece will slide in here. Now there are a lot of these slits, and this is where that piece slides into. Being a snap kit, it's a really tight fit, so what I did was I took this needle file and I went in and I scraped out these slits on both sides. So now this piece will slide in easily, because I like to paint my pieces separately before I glue them together. And the same with this piece. You have the pieces that slide in. And then this piece slides in like that. And then of course you add your bells, and that makes up the back engine piece. So I'm going to move on and test fit the top section where the con center is. The upper decks, there are quite a few pieces. Again, the detail is awesome, and I forgot to mention that the one good thing about this kit is that all the window holes are already drilled in there, and there are a lot of them. Obviously you can get the kit that has the light kit for this, and that's what that's for, but I didn't realize it until I started looking at it, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta drill a lot of holes. And then all of a sudden, boom, the holes are already there. So I was like, yes. Anyway, there are several pieces for this top main piece. what I'll do is I'll put this together. Most of it has grooves, so it will slide right into place. If I can figure out which one is which. Oh, here we go. So slide like that. The other piece. Like I said, it is a snap kit, so almost everything will snap together. And the top piece here has these little tab things on the inside to hold this, like so. There's still some pieces I need to add to this front piece, but you can see just how easy it goes together. And there are several pieces that puts this con deck together, and it is grooved, so it just slides right in there. Of course, I need to go and check all the fits and everything to make sure it fits a little better, but you can see it's a very simple kit. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take all these pieces, I want to do a little test fit, get it all together, and I'll be back. Got the test fit together. There are still pieces missing, like this channel here, side pieces, some back pieces over here, and then of course the top pieces, the cargo bays, which still need to be built. But I wanted to get it together to show you guys, you know, kind of what it looks like. Again, the detail is superior. Even all these little lights in here, these holes have been drilled out already on both sides. So I still need to finish getting all the pieces cleaned up and get them all together and stuff like that. Then I need to figure out how I'm going to light this, whether I'm going to make the light or the power source inside, or if I'm going to put it on a pole. And then of course priming and painting. So that's going to do it for part one. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I want to thank you guys for subscribing, and I'll see you guys for part two.